from Lazada. So here. So it's time to install this SSD to the laptop. Hey guys, so we are going to upgrade this Acer E5 Aspire. It is 475G. Take note guys, 475G E5. So it has an M.2 slot, so it is my 3-year-old laptop. So I decided to upgrade the storage to SSD. So I was looking into the internet and I found out that it is not an NVME slot. So I'm pretty confused at first what to get, what type of SSD. There's more than one type of SSD, and good thing that I have a friend that knows about SSD slots or type of SSD, and that guy told me that be careful of what you buy. It might be not the one, or it might be the wrong type of SSD that you will install to your computer, because I think it will be or not detected if you got a wrong type of SSD. So I searched at the internet or YouTube. There's I think 2 people there installed their laptop, the same model as I have, because I have the 6th gen i5 of processor on my Aspire E5 475G. And then on that video they said that don't get the NVMe. So I am not that techie guru or tech master. I don't really know a lot. I was just, I was self-educating myself about SSD. I ordered online that type, those SSD that I was watching from those people that installing their SSD in their laptops. So I ordered online and it's now here. Time to open the package. So it's not an NVMe, and it's neither PCI Express. So here from Lazada. I hope didn't put the wrong one here. I'm pretty scared sometimes ordering online because they might put the wrong item. So here, you see that? So it's time to install this SSD to the laptop. Disclaimer, I am not a technician, I am not a professional, but I always watch videos that has a step-by-step process or instructions, and it's time for me to apply those, what I've learned and watch from those videos from the people that or who installed theirs. And if you guys wanted to follow me as I install this SSD, if you have the same model as I have, feel free to follow my steps. And I'm pretty sure some of you are going to say that why not go to the dealership and have it installed? I mean, have your SSD installed by their hands. The reason of it is I love to DIY, like do it yourself. I might mess things up, but that's how you learn the hard way, right? And of course, it's my decision anyway. If something happens, not covered by warranty because it's past 3 years now, or it's almost 3 years. And so enough of the blabber, so let's go. Alright guys, so you have to flip the laptop upside down and you have to unscrew all these bolts here. I mean that one. So it's total of 4. So let's do that. And there, you can pry this lid here, just pull it and then it will pop out. So let's do that. If you have a prying tool, you can do that. So this is what it looks like when you open the lid. I mean the lower half here. So I took the SSD out from its box. So here. So it doesn't say that it is PCIe or NVMe. So there. Just don't buy the PCIe. Pretty sure that this model is not it's not supported for NVMe. So now let's do this. And of course, this screw is for this one here to secure the SSD, but it doesn't come with this screw. I just found them like lying on the floor and on a table. So make sure you secure one of them before you install your SSD, or else you're going to tape your SSD instead of like securing it with a screwdriver or screw head. So let's do that. Just gently push. There. And then make sure it is like it fits there. So I'm going to like secure the SSD with this screw head. There, that should do it. And then we're going to put back the lid. Guys, so the moment of truth, and if the SSD will be detected. So let's do that. Press F2 simultaneously. Wait for it to come. And there, can you see it? This is what we installed, the SSD. So the laptop determines, so the laptop detected the SSD. So now you have your SSD installed in your laptop. I'm going to install all of those components. Make sure you backed up everything. Secure a recovery drive on your USB, or there's a lot of videos how to make a recovery drive and how to restore all of your drivers. So of course you can always download the Samsung data migration tool that helps to clone your current drive to your newly installed SSD to make that your main boot drive. And if you're going to ask me, let's stick to the safe side, where just use this product. I'm not promoting like the Samsung, but I mean there's a lot of technicians are my friends here that really recommends the Samsung 860 Evo, or before there are like 850s. I think they're gone now, but yeah. So if you're going to install an SSD to your laptop the same as mine, might as well let's go for this brand, because it has this hassle-free migration tool. Well, I don't know if it comes with it. I haven't searched for it. Like, I've installed it. watching videos at the like YouTube, and I saw this guy is like teaching how to use that Samsung migration tool. So it's very easy. Once you've installed that, run your main like drive that has Windows and then migrate it there, and then after that you're going to shut down your PC and pick your SSD as your main boot drive. That's it. And all of those like recovery drive, like the OEM drive where you cannot click, if you're familiar with that, yeah, it will really clone too, like from your old hard drive or old drive that you're using going to the SSD. There guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now for more videos like this. If you like the video, of course, don't forget to hit thumbs up and notification bell if I have a new video for you guys. And of course, leave comments below if you're struggling with something like this, and let me know if I can help.